lovers, I'm here with an unboxing and soon review. This was sent to me from Frisky Fandom Productions. So let's open her up. Excited about this one. Something different. It's not a toy. It's not a book. It's a game. Bubble wrap. Save that for later. Okay. FUNISHMENT. FUNISHMENT, a kink, consent, and communication card game. I love that. I absolutely love the very idea of that. So, let's see. Explore your kinks as a dominant, submissive, or switch. I appreciate the switch inclusion. With commands, punishments, and more. FUNISHMENT will help you learn more about your partners, and yourself. FUNISHMENT is sex positive, gender affirming. We love that. And safety first. Always respect safe words and never push past your point of comfort. Play safe, play smart, and have fun. And it looks like it plays approximately, gameplay takes 30 to 50 minutes. They have it right there in the box. Ages 18 plus, obviously. No, 2 players. It's interesting this day you can learn about your partners, but it's only 2 players. I'm really wondering if there might be a way to fiddle about with this to be able to play with more than just 2. But I guess we'll see. Let's open it up and take a look at some cards. This part is so satisfying, these boxes. It's with little tabs on them to keep things straight. Smells like a new book. Directions. This is your content warning. FUNISHMENT is a BDSM game. It is very likely that you will come across cards that will make you feel uncomfortable. These cards depict real kinks, and not everything is for everybody. If you are triggered by a card, stop gameplay immediately and remove the card from the deck permanently. You may come across cards that are not safe for your body. Do not push yourself to play them. It is important that both players are honest when communicating their boundaries and are empowered to advocate for their own safety and comfort. Okay, I love this. This is so great as a fun as it is. This is edutainment. It's educational and fun. Throughout the gameplay, players will utilize spotlight safe words. Classic. Red meaning stop immediately, yellow means proceed with caution, and green means go. If gagged or unable to speak, 3 hums or taps indicate red, 2 indicates yellow, and 1 indicates green. This is fantastic. I love it. You will also need a 6-sided die, a method for keeping score, and probably some toys, I would imagine. You want to have your stuff out. So, awesome. They've got the setup and the gameplay, how to read all the cards, and suggestions. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's 5 kind of cards. There's command cards. Generally have tasks that submissives must perform for the pleasure of the dominant. Punishment cards. Punishments, physical or otherwise, that the dominant may perform on the submissive. Inquisition cards. Ooh, nobody expected that. I just really aged myself. Inquisition cards have intimate and interesting questions that facilitate communication between players. Okay, so kind of a truth part of the truth or dare. Meta cards alter gameplay in some way. Meta cards do not award points. However, any cards drawn and played at the instruction of the meta card does award points to the player who drew it. And new rules cards have tasks that the submissive must carry out throughout gameplay. The cards should be left on the table to remind the submissive. Points awarded for a new rules card are only awarded once. So how do you win? How do you win this game? How do you win at kink? Everyone is a winner in FUNISHMENT, but if you're a traditionalist and want a clear victory, then the first player to 30 points wins. Be aware that points are included largely for limiting gameplay time. FUNISHMENT is a game of chance, and aggressively competitive gameplay will compromise player communication and exploration. You get the points you get. These cards can also be used as a springboard to create S&M sessions, jumpstart a sexy evening, or just generate conversation. Play, experiment, and modify cards however you feels right. Because after all, BDSM is all about what feels right for you. I'm so excited for this. I've seen a few different adult card games or board games in my time, and they're always a little cheesy, frankly. But these are pretty sweet. So they've got these like separator cards with like soft hard limits. I'm just gonna pull a few out at random. X-rated command, strip search. So that's fun. Submissive must remove all of their remaining clothes and remain naked for the rest of the game unless otherwise ordered. Why would you want to make them put their clothes back on? Titillation, X-rated punishment. Submissive will receive X strikes on the bare chest with impact toy of their choosing. Here's an example of a meta card. Each player chooses a sex act. When game is over, the winning player's chosen sex act is performed. Oh, that's fun. Oh, cool. And you can even make your own. They even have a few blank ones. I love that. So I'm gonna have to set up some date time with my partners. I'm still gonna figure out if there's a way that we can, because I feel like this might become a great play party game. And you'll be hearing back from me about FUNISHMENT.